Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me, Denise, and I know it's been a while since the last video I uploaded. It was 5 years ago, and 5 years later, ano kayang nangyari sa akin? I'll give you an update, those negative things that happen and the positive things that happen in my life. So keep on watching, and I'll give you an update. So yun nga, life update. Nandito ako ngayon sa second floor. Kaka-out ko lang. 3 hours ago, kaka-out ko lang. May work ako. Today is Saturday. So, weekend off kami. Wala akong pasok mamayang gabi. So, I'm so excited para simulan tong video ko or yung channel ko again after 5 years. What motivates me? What motivated me to come back again here on YouTube? Ano nga ba? Wala. Natutuwa lang talaga ako sa life ko recently. And I feel like sharing it to you guys, I owe you. There's a lot of things that happened and I'm really just glad that I'm here. At yung mga napagdaanan ko nung mga nakaraang 5 years, isi-share ko sa inyo. Maraming masama. Pero, sobra-sobra naman yung mabuting nangyari. Dito ako sa may window kasi may light. Nandito ako sa second floor, sa bahay namin, sa bagong bahay namin. At, bahay na pagmamayari namin. Diba? Ang dami nang nangyari. May bahay na kami ngayong sarili. And, semi-furnished siya. So, there's nothing to lose kasi ngayon may bahay na kami. After 23 years, or 24 years old ako nung nakuha namin tong bahay na to. Hindi pa naman siya fully paid, but it's still a house. Kaya, sobrang saya ko pa rin na i-share yun sa inyo. At, eto lang, ganda-gandahan lang ako sa may tapat ng bintana kasi nga, nagpapahinga ako, wala akong pasok today. Ano bang agenda ko today? Wala akong gagawin kasi gano'n naman talaga pagka weekend off ko. Wala akong mga naiisip gawin kundi mag-message ang mga friends ko, check them how they are. Kasi recently, ang ingay nung kapitbahay namin. Anyways, recently, may ano dito, bagyo. So, mag-back to back talaga yung bagyo dito. Simula sa letter C, D, at E. So, here in the Philippines, if there's a storm, it's either there are classes na nasususpend or walang pasok yung mga nagwo-work. Ang mahirap lang sa mga katulad nating mga nasa BPO, tuloy pa rin ang laban, kaya kailangan mag-work. Masaya ako na ngayon yung work ko, work at home. Hindi ko na kailangan pang mag-travel. Nakikipaglaban ako sa ingay ng kapitbahay kasi naayos nila yung bahay. At ngayon pa, bahay nila. At ngayon ko pa talagang naisipang mag-vlog. But I'm just so inspired kasi na-inspire ako kay mama. Nag-open siya ng YouTube account niya like 5 years ago, I think. Ay, hindi pala YouTube. Facebook account niya 5 years ago na nag-upload lang siya ng random videos, random pictures, random captions, random posts. At ngayon, she's earning na. So, nakaka-inspire. Na-inspire kasi pera no? Pero, yun nga, friends, gusto ko lang kayong i-update. I know I gained weight, which is a happy weight. Masaya ako sa weight ko ngayon, and I'm just so confident about who I am as a person. Naalala ko yung first video ever na in-upload ko. It's about women empowerment. At under nun sa women empowerment na yon, ang chapter ay confidence. Yun lang yung first and last chapter ko na in-upload. And nakapaloob dun yung tatlong important things. So, yun nga. Yung tatlong important things na nandun sa confidence. Yung una yung step ay, naalala nyo ba yon? So, the first step of being a confident woman is, yes, ang ingay niya. So, the first one is being or avoid too much negativity. So, that's the first one. And then the second one is being true to yourself or finding yourself. And the third one is execution. Ano yung mga pinag-iisip at pinagsasabi ko ng time na yun? I don't know. I just want you guys to be motivated. I just want you guys to know where I'm coming from. I just want you guys to know that you're beautiful. And you should be confident. Sumisigaw na ako dito dahil ang ingay talaga nung nasa labas. I don't know if you guys hear them. Pero yun na sila. O, di ba biglang tumahimik nung tinapat ko yung phone ko dito sa may bintana? Mga ta! Anyways, I'm just so happy and that I'm alive. I've lost friends and I've gained some. So, ganun talaga sa life natin. And if you're watching this and you're at the age of like 16, just be happy. Don't be excited to become an adult. Kasi nung mga nasa ganyang age ako, excited akong magdalaga. Diyos mio, Marimar. Mga 13 years old ako, gusto ko na agad maging mga 18 kasi gusto ko lang makabili ng maraming conditioner sa buhok at magkaroon ng sarili kong pera, of course. Pero, having money is a huge responsibility. Kailangan alam mo kung saan mo nilalabas yung pera. Pero kapag ka nasa ganyan kang age, hindi mo na muna dapat kailangan problemnahin yan. Dahil naniniwala ako na ang pera nandyan lang. What you need to value is yourself. You need to gain confidence. Confidence pa rin tayo hanggang ngayon 2025 kasi yun lang naman talaga ang dapat iniingatan nyo dahil yun lang yung kakampi nyo, sarili nyo. Ay, biglang naglungkot dito sa may corner. Anyways, ang gulo na yata nung video ko, wala talagang point. I'm just here to give you an update about my life and 5 years later, I'm engaged! And hindi siya yung partner ko nung 5 years ago na in-upload ko. Yung partner ko ngayon is way better. Nakikilala niyo siya sa future videos ko or vlogs ko. Kasi, well, you deserve to know him. He's a good person and he really changed a lot in me. He changed my mindset. Hindi niya ako finurse, but it came from me. The old me, pinalik niya ako kung sino ako. That woman, that lady who loves life, that lady who is always happy and positive, that lady who shines bright around the people. Around her. So, ayun, nag-graduate lang siya ulit sa akin. Bumalik siya sa akin na this is who I am. And I'm just so glad. I'll share to you things sooner or later, but you'll know more. Bye!